garantir như tên gì nữa chăm garantir.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today toki tonam be watching the ngai birthday celebrate be time na e and it's on 21st of May ngai birthday di. The ani ki chiru 20th May nalu ani chiru de khongi ngai birthday celebrate be ni be. You know guys, it was such a wonderful surprise because I honestly did not expect it at all. Even though you guys had a long, tiring day and reached home late, you still took the time and effort to celebrate my birthday with beautiful decorations, balloons, cake, and thoughtful gift. I am truly grateful and thankful to you all for making me feel so special. Your kindness, love, and effort meant so much to me. Thanks to you guys, this became one of the best birthday I have ever had, and I will always cherish this forever. Telling our room na hebe time di halam ni chunu time one na de chunu telling the excited ten be I started unboxed all the gifts and I absolutely love every one of them. The first gift I opened was the perfume day and I really liked the fragrance. It wasn't too strong and it had a pleasant and refreshing scent that I enjoyed right away. It was such a thoughtful gift and I truly appreciate it. After reading her letter, I came across the part where she said that my mother would be proud of me. At that moment, I couldn't hold back my tears. I don't know why, but ever since I lost my mother, whenever someone mentions her or talks about mothers, I became very emotional. No matter how I try, I can't stop the tears from coming, and I miss her deeply. And hearing those words touch my heart in a way I can't fully describe. I'm sure the most expensive gift that I've ever received in my life. That is. And a special thank you to my husband for giving me the most expensive and meaningful gift I have ever received, and for always being by my side since high school. Thank you for believing in me, supporting my YouTube journey, and encouraging me every step of the way. I would not be here where I am today without your love and support. I am truly grateful to have you in my life. I hope our relationship continues to grow stronger every day and last a lifetime until we grow old together. And I would also like to thank everyone who messaged me and sent me birthday wishes. Your thoughtful words made my day even more special, and I truly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I am so lucky to have such amazing friends and family in my life.
Cho thăm mời cái tiếng đặc sản này chị. Cùng đi chừng nào đi get ready with me.
这是么东东西？
좋은
쎄. Yaar, tup. Tama anh ready big thap din.
Ta-da! So this is the outfit. Outfit check. We're watching anime. Happy reunion. 지금 디너 주셨는데 Yes, I will show you. 땡기네요.
안돼 보세. 아이나 이거 왜안 나와주도
왜? 하나. 하나. 조모, 너도 조모, 다시. 하이. 조모 더 마틴러스 뭐 이동을 안 해보고 싶어요. 야나 모디 시니어리메.
안되니 레깅 쉐리. 모디 원.
조모 감지. 조모. 지금 4 months. 다시.
물질은 상하게.
지금지 상게 나오면 3 years. 시니어리메.
모두 컨트랙션. 모두 도도만.
쌉.
비비.
쌉 힙치리. 마치오 6 years. After 6 years reunion.
지금 비슷한 분은 안 틀려.
레몬. 아니 레몬 티 통로 나다.
Biar pakai sepeda. Ya. Lambe. Jangan jom. Semalam ni boxing yang. Oh my god. Ay, na dengan kul bawa. Ini balik. Tak ni bade. Syare. Biar pakai.
Tidak dulu aja berarti
Thank you. 벌써 같이 일단 말 벌써 언제는 센지 Everyone's favorite. Everyone's favorite. 오늘 야구 무슨 Thank you.
Zaman jauh ya.
Oh, deh, tadi kan semua. Apa musim? Nggak dia.
Thank you. 이거 근데 잘 메뉴 쓰고 아니 메뉴도 쓰고 그래서 메뉴 아무튼 좋아 저기 근데 아니 근데 MP 이게 너무 상관 있어 아니 MP MP 좀 아니고 MP 어떻게 할 수 있게 정말 너무 하나씩 그런 거 그러지 약간 백점 하나
She's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way